In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello Calendar to visually plan, schedule, and manage your tasks step by step. If you use Trello for project management, content planning, or team collaboration, the calendar view can completely change the way you organize deadlines. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable the Trello Calendar Power-Up, sync it with your personal calendar, and start managing tasks directly from the calendar view. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your Boards page. Here you'll see all the boards associated with your account. Click on the board where you want to use the calendar feature. This could be a content calendar, a project management board, or any workflow that uses due dates. Once you're inside your selected board, look toward the top area of the screen and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding extra features and integrations to your board. After clicking Power-Ups, select Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Up directory. In the search bar, type in Calendar. You'll see the Calendar Power-Up appear in the results. Click on Calendar, then click the Add button to enable it on your board. After it's successfully added, close the Power-Ups panel. Now you'll notice a calendar option or icon appearing near the top of your board, usually close to where the Power-Up section is located. Click on the Calendar Power-Up icon to switch from your standard board view to the calendar view. Instantly, Trello will display all cards that have due dates in a calendar layout. If you want to sync this with your external calendar, such as Google Calendar or Outlook, click on Sync to Personal Calendar. Trello will generate a calendar link that you can copy and paste into your external calendar application. This allows you to see your Trello due dates alongside your other meetings and events, making it much easier to manage everything in one place. At the top left of the calendar view, you'll see navigation options. Use these to move between months or switch your calendar layout if available. This makes it easy to plan ahead or review previous deadlines. Now let's talk about adding new items directly from the calendar view. Click on Add. From here, you can create a new card or even create a new list. If you choose to create a new list, click on List, enter the list name, choose its position on the board, and then click Add List. This keeps your workflow organized while planning visually. When you create or assign a due date to a card, you'll immediately see it appear on the selected date in the calendar. This gives you a clear visual overview of what's due and when. You can also drag and drop cards directly within the calendar to change their due dates. Simply click and drag a card to a different day, and Trello will automatically update the due date for you. This is incredibly useful when rescheduling tasks or adjusting timelines. Using Trello Calendar is a powerful way to stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple deadlines or working with a team. It transforms your board into a visual planning tool and helps prevent missed deadlines by giving you a clear, date-based overview of your work. And that's how to use Trello Calendar step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.